Have you been searching for the perfect SUV with styling and safety without breaking the bank? We'll take a look at this Mercedes-Benz GLC 300 in selenite gray. With HID headlamps, electronic stability control, 18-inch aluminum wheels, blind spot monitoring, power heated mirrors, LED tail lamps, rear window wiper and washer, heated and ventilated front seats, steering wheel mounted audio controls, 22,000 miles on the odometer, 8-inch touchscreen display, navigation, rear backup camera, dual zone temperature control, split folding rear seats, dual pane panoramic sunroof, power liftgate, 2.0-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine, and so much more. For additional details or to schedule a test drive, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number 6436A.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.